You're grounded, grounded, grounded for.
The National Weather Service has encountered a tornado warning for the following states: Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and South Dakota. If you are in these located states, take cover now. Move to the nearest basement before flying debris.
The National Weather Service has encountered a tornado warning for the following states: Texas, Oklahoma, South Dakota, and Kansas. If you are in these states, take shelter now. Move to the nearest basement before flying debris.